Have you ever pondered, can I purchase books for someone else's Kindle? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. It's a fantastic way to share your favorite reads or gift someone a book they've been longing to dive into. The process is straightforward, and we're here to guide you through it. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Amazon website. Ensure you're logged into your Amazon account. If you don't have one yet, create one. It's quite simple and won't take more than a few minutes. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Kindle store. This is your gateway to a vast array of books, both old and new. Search for the book you'd like to gift. You can use the search bar at the top of the page or browse through the categories if you're not sure what to pick. After you've found the perfect book, don't rush to the Buy Now button. Instead, look for the button that says, Give as a Gift. This option allows you to purchase the book and send it to someone else's Kindle. Click on the Give as a Gift button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. This should be the email address associated with their Amazon account. If you're not sure, just ask them. They won't know what book you're gifting, so it won't spoil the surprise. Next, choose a delivery date. You can send the gift immediately or schedule it for a future date. This feature can be handy for birthdays or other special occasions. Finally, add a personal message. This is your chance to tell the recipient why you chose this book for them. Once you're done, click on the Place Your Order button, and voila! The book will be delivered to their Kindle on the selected date. So, to recap, buying books for someone else's Kindle is easy. Simply log into Amazon, go to the Kindle store, find the book, click Give as a Gift, enter the recipient's email, choose a delivery date, add a personal message, and place your order. Remember, sharing is caring, and what better way to care than sharing the joy of a good book? So go ahead and brighten someone's day with a Kindle book gift. They'll surely appreciate it.